Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a monthly reading for Sagittarius for January 2026. This is a general reading guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So let's see. So in this reading we will see the overall energy for January, the key obstacles or challenges, actions, advice for you, your strength and opportunities, probable outcome. At the end, we will take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. Okay, so don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Okay, so let's see what the cards have for Sagittarius for January 2026. Sagittarius, overall energy, please. Overall energy for Sag, please, for January 2026. Overall energy for Sagittarius, please, for January 2026. Sorry, overall energy for Sagittarius for January. Okay, the World card. Right. Okay, I'm holding the deck in reverse. I was wondering how the cards are coming in reverse. Okay, please clarify the World card for Sagittarius. Overall energy. Okay. Right. Please help me with the challenges. Sagittarius will have obstacles and challenges for Sagittarius. Obstacles or challenges for Sagittarius in Jan. Obstacles and challenges for Sag. Obstacles and challenges we have for Sagittarius. The cards. Okay. All right. Okay. Please help me with the actions or advice we have for Sagittarius. Actions or advice for Sagittarius, please. Okay. Got it. Let's see what's the strength and opportunities we have for you. Strength and opportunities for Sag, please, in January. Strength and opportunities we have for Sag. Okay. I'll take this. Alright. Please clarify the Empress as the strength and opportunities. Take a card flipped. Please clarify the Empress card as the strength and opportunities for Sagittarius. Alright. Let me adjust the cards a bit. Okay. Let's see what's the probable outcome we have for Sag. Oh, okay. I'll take this. Are the cards clearly visible on the screen? Yes. Alright, please clarify the King of Pentacles. Please clarify. Alright, got it. So, the overall energy for you, Sag, in January, I see is, something is going to complete. A cycle is going to complete. A phase in your life is going to complete. Maybe if you're single, then you might, get into relationship. You might get married. You might get engaged. Something like that. A phase is basically getting complete. Maybe a job change. Maybe a relocation, or maybe your education. Now you have completed your education and now you're entering into that job kind of thing, right? Or starting work, something like that is happening. I see that you will have a lot of passion towards whatever you feel like doing. Okay, you will be passionate towards your goal. Health wise, everything looks fine. You may have started to focus on your health, on your fitness, right? So that is also I'm getting, and you are going to be so much energetic that basically focusing on your growth and moving ahead in your life with passion. Okay, I also see that there can be something new which you are starting. As I said, if you have you may have started to hitting the gym, or started focusing on on your well-being, emotional well-being, financial well-being, physical well-being, okay, anything. So a cycle is going to complete and you are going to be energetic, you are going to be passionate, you will be given so many different opportunities by the universe and you need to grab it. Maybe you might get a good offer and you are, kind of being passionate towards your new job, something like that, okay. So it's a very good thing basically, and you will have the support of the universe, things will work in your favor and you will come out as someone with more experience, more knowledge, a bit of maturity is also what I'm seeing. A bit of maturity, why I said is because अगर आप न्यू हो, if you are a beginner, if you're a fresher in your work, so you will be working with passion and people will be, the team members, your work colleagues, they will be, they will be impressed basically, and they will be seeing you as someone who is, responsible, okay. उस तरह की energy है. That is why I said a bit of maturity if you're a fresher. But yeah, I see that people are seeing you as someone who has knowledge, who has the capability to handle the situations and the challenges also, okay. So that's a very good energy for the January for you, Saj. Now the obstacles for you here is you need to focus on your communication, okay. अगर आप communicate proper नहीं करोगे ना, so there may be chances that you might get misunderstood and it will create unnecessary conflicts or misunderstandings, okay. So also I see that if you feel that you are stuck in a particular situation and you can't do anything about it, so you are free to take the steps. Okay, it's like your mind is, mind is playing the game of you being in a victim mindset. Basically, कि मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती, nothing is in my hand. I'm just stuck. मैं फंस गई हूँ इधर पे. So उस तरह के माइंडसेट से आपको बाहर आना है. You need to set yourself free and come out of that dark energy. Dark energy is basically the energy which is causing you stress. It can be a toxic connection, it can be a toxic work culture, it can be a toxic place, it can be you are planning to relocate but your mind is giving you some other excuses कि नहीं अभी नहीं करना है, why is it required, am I able to find a new place, any kind of excuses your mind might be giving you, and you feel like I'm stuck here and I can't set myself free. So for whatever reason, maybe I have this responsibility and I have that responsibility, so I can't take that step, I can't take that decision, anything. Basically it's a general reading, so I can't exactly say, but I see that you need to focus on your communication. You need to be very clear in your communication, but at the same time you have to keep in mind कि clear communication is important instead of being rude and blunt, okay. So जितना आप clearly, patiently और लॉजिकली अपने आप को कम्युनिकेट अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कर पाओगे, कम्युनिकेट कर पाओगे, उतना क्लियर और उतना ईजी होगा आपके लिए टू कम आउट ऑफ that situation which is making you feel like you are stuck, okay. That is also I am getting here for you. I also see that you need to be logical instead of emotional. आप इमोशनल होकर कोई डिसीजन मत लो, आप थोड़ा सा लॉजिकली, थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकली ऑल्सो आप सिचुएशन को देखो और उसके बाद आप कोई डिसीजन लेना, ठीक है. दैट इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग. आई ऑल्सो सी दैट सम ऑफ यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू create boundaries, and जिसकी वजह से people may come and take advantage of you. If you make yourself available all the time, then you won't be respected, your time will not be respected, okay. So that is also somewhere I see for some of you, you need to work on that. Try to set healthy boundaries, okay. Like for example, you are not available for the phone calls after 10, or you are not available to step out when everybody was well aware of the plan and you were told in the last minute, okay. So you need to set some clear and healthy boundaries so that you respect yourself and others also can sense that and start respecting you, okay. That is also I am getting. So you need to focus on your communication, be logical, and be come out of that victim mindset. Set yourself free from the situation which are making you feel stuck, okay. The action or advice here is for you to move out. See, move out from something which is causing you that chaos, mental chaos, emotional disturbance. You're not able to sleep properly, you are just thinking, overthinking is happening, you're not able to take stand for yourself, something which is causing you stress. It can be overloading yourself with work, it can be not able to think clearly what is that you want to do, what is happening. Maybe if you're in a relationship and you are always in this doubt ki I don't know where it is heading to, right, and you are just overthinking about it. So I see that you need to move out towards something which gives you mental peace. As I said, you need to come out of that victim mindset and set yourself free. Move towards a calmer water. Choose and decide what gives you that mental peace is also what I'm getting here for you. You also may be waiting for the results. Maybe aapne 200% of your efforts you have given and you are seeing only 10% in return, right? So that is where you have to analyze ki aap kahan par you are over giving and where you need to set the boundary, right? This is no coincidence that it has come कि आपको boundary set करने की जरूरत है. आपको देखना है कि are you the only one who is giving in the situation or in the connection and you're not getting the rewards, recognition, appreciation or the efforts from the other side. Okay, it can be in your workplace, you are just giving you're working dedicatedly, you're completing everything within the timeline given to you, you're achieving, you're fulfilling all your responsibilities, but you are not getting enough recognition from your workplace, the rewards, you're not seeing the positive pay which you deserve, and you're waiting, you're just waiting. So you need to think logically and start coming out of this victim mindset. As I said, you need to work on your communication. Maybe अगर आप communicate नहीं कर रहे हो, so this is also a sign that you need to communicate. हो सकता है आपको you might be hesitating to speak to your manager or your team lead about what you are doing, what you are contributing and what you are getting, and you are expecting an increase or something like that. So communicate, okay? Just express what is bothering you, okay? Don't be in that energy of frustration, and as I said, emotional होके कोई decision मत लीजिएगा, logically, practically सोच के decision लीजिएगा. All the advice here is to move towards something which gives you peace, okay? Maybe आप as I said, that example will continue कि अगर आपको आपके टीम लीड, आपके मैनेजर से बात करना अबाउट योर पे, बट यू आर नॉट टॉकिंग एंड यू आर जस्ट लीविंग द सिचुएशन. नो, डोंट डू दैट. At least speak, so you will get to know what is happening, right? At the back end, what is happening and what kind of step you have to take next, right? So उस तरह की situation is work on your communication, express and communicate, think logically, and then choose what gives you peace. Okay, now the strength here is understand what is that which is bothering you. Okay, maybe for some of you, you are not able to express yourself. Again, it is coming something at an emotional level. If you are suppressing your emotions, if you are not communicating what is happening to you, what is bothering you, and you are overthinking about it, so try to work on that. अगर ऐसा कुछ है जो आप share नहीं कर सकते हो, you're not able to share it with anyone, just write it down on a paper and burn it. If you don't want to keep it, just burn it out and release it. It will make you feel much better. Okay, so focus on letting go, and also at the same time you need to focus on connecting with yourself. You need to understand what is that your soul is trying to say and listen to it. Okay, it's like you need to listen to your inner voice. So try to sometimes what happens is when we are not ready to face what our soul is saying, we surround ourselves with so many people, so much of crowd, that we don't get enough time to listen to what our heart is saying, what our heart is saying and what our soul is saying. So isolate yourself for some time and try to think what is that your soul is calling for. Okay, also I see that you need to be confident, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, you will see the growth, you will see your rewards, your hard work will be recognized, your rewards will be given to you, but you need to come out of your comfort zone. Going back to the same example, अगर आपका comfort zone है कि आप काम करते जा रहे हो पर आप अपना you're not talking about what you're expecting in return, तो आपको अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना पड़ेगा और आपको बात करनी पड़ेगी. यू नीड टू एक्सप्रेस, यू नीड टू कम्युनिकेट, राइट? दैट एग्जाम्पल इज व्हाट आई एम गिविंग. So I also see for some of you there can be chances that if you are planning to conceive, then there are good chances your health will be in a good condition, and there are very good chances of getting that positive news also is what I'm getting here for you, Saj. So just focus on releasing your stress and coming out of the unnecessary situations and protecting your peace, protecting yourself from unnecessary stress, conflicts, drama, chaos and disagreements, and logically think, okay, what is that you want to really focus on. The outcome is you will get the success. Okay, you will start feeling more stable financially, emotionally also. As I said, आपको decision लेने की ज़रूरत है, यार आपको ना वो step लेने की ज़रूरत है. Maybe आप plan कर रहे हो कि मैं going back to the same example again, coming to your workplace, कि आपको अपने manager से बात करनी, आज नहीं कल बात करते हैं, आज नहीं कल बात करते हैं, next year बात करेंगे, next week बात करेंगे, next month बात करेंगे. So you are delaying something, right? So you have to take that step, and clear communication is required. Okay, for some of you, I see that you might be, if you are planning to express your emotions to someone, then you need to take that action. Okay, you have planned everything but you're not communicating, so just communicate, and at least you will have the clarity, right, ki what the other person feels for you, and you will be able to protect yourself from that overthinking and basically focus on the next thing, right? So that is what I'm getting here for you, Saj. So mainly everything is good, a cycle is going to complete for you, but all you have to do is come out of that victim mindset, focus on your communication, be clear on what you want, and take the step. Okay, go in some solitude so that you can listen to your inner voice and understand what is that your soul is looking to communicate to you. There is long term stability coming in, there is growth, you will get the results, you will get the rewards of your work. At the same time, you will start focusing on long term stability. As I said, for some of you in the beginning, right, there are chances that you might end up getting married, or if you're single, you might find someone with whom you will finally feel that that this is the person I was looking for, and from there you will start focusing on the long term stability in your life. In your with respect to your health, as I said, unnecessary stress, so you have to protect yourself and protect your peace. Relationships, everything is looking fine. As I said, अगर आप किसी को convey करना चाहते हो आपकी feelings, तो you need to just take that step. Okay, so everything else is fine for you. Month looks good, Sag. Just focus on what is causing you that feeling of stuck, and release it and set yourself free. The guidance here for you, Sag, is elder healing through the lineage. Okay, so maybe for some of you it can be a culture which is not good, right, to follow. Culture, what I'm saying is, sometimes it's like you are the one who is going to bring a change. Okay, in your entire family, maybe आपके आज तक आपके फैमिली ने किसी ने ऐसा नहीं किया होगा जो आप करना चाहते हो. It can be something like everybody is in the business and you are the one who's not interested in doing business. Rather, you are someone who is looking for getting into a job, or someone who wants to start something of your own. Maybe आपके family में nobody has the interest in music and you are the one who is going in that field. It can be anything basically which is different than anybody else has done. Okay, it can be someone like something related to healing is also what I'm saying. You might enroll or start working, or you might be feeling yourself more connected to the healing what do you say, modalities, like where you can be a healer, a reiki, or anything like that, which nobody in your entire generation, or for at least a long time, nobody has focused on, and now you are feeling drawn towards it. उस तरह की energy है. So if you are doing that, you never know how many people will be healed by that. Okay, so something like that is happening, and just focus on what your soul is looking for and do what makes you feel good without hurting anyone is also what I'm saying. See, अगर आप कुछ different कर रहे हो तो थोड़ा challenges तो आता है, right, but you know how you have to communicate and convince other people when you are not hurting anyone, when you are not disturbing anyone, and when you are not causing any kind of issue to anyone. Then I think everything is fine, right? You can choose what you want, right? So just focus on that, try to connect with your soul. Maybe your soul is craving that you are not born for this thing, rather you are born for a healing work, something like that, right? You never know. That is why there is a need for you to go in some solitude, listen to your inner voice, do some meditation, and try to understand what is that your soul is looking for. Okay, so this is a reading for you, Saj. It's a very good reading. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.